Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Fios remote volume not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Fios remote control here and volume is not working, there are going to be a few things that you may want to try. So first things first is you want to reset your remote. So you want to press the menu button on your Fios remote when you want to navigate to your settings and then go to voice control, then Fios TV voice control. Now you want to go to program Fios TV voice remote. Now from there on you want to select reset remote setup, then confirm the reset by pressing OK. Now wait until you see a message saying remote programming reset success. Now once you've done that, you want to go and reprogram your remote. Now after resetting, you'll need to set the remote up again. Now go back to program Fios TV voice remote here and select the manual setup. Now choose your TV's brand and model here and make sure your remote is pointed directly at your TV while doing it. This for best results. Next is you want to check your device power and connection. Now make sure your TV and any audio receiver, if you're using one, is powered on. Now if you have other devices like a soundbar or receiver here, between you set your set-top box and your your TV here, double check that they are turned on and properly connected too. Now you want to check mute and audio settings here. Now press the mute button on your remote to see if the volume responds. Also you want to go to menu, then settings, then audio and video, then go to audio. Now check that your audio settings are properly configured for your setup as well. Now, if in this case none of this actually work and you're still having some problems here, well, the last thing that you want to do here is just contact Verizon support. Now, if the volume still isn't working here after doing all the steps, well, in this case, this is going to be a lot of a deeper issue. So in this case, you may want to contact Verizon support. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.